Real Talk Part 1. For me, if you ride the helicopter and especially an airplane, I hope and I wish we have rules and regulation now. Every one of customer of the airplane, they have a parachute, so that if the airplane will not easily bomb crash or become put into the ashes, then if the pilot and the staff of the airplane and the customer of the airplane, there's a tendency or opportunity to save their life from going to death, injuries. If you will notice that the airplane is crashed already or going to be crashed, then that time the 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 staff of the airplane then announce the customer of the airplane, the passenger seat. They will announce the passenger, the I forgot what the call of the lady staff of the airplane. Then they will supposed to announce that, okay, abandon ship, we should calm down, then we should abandon this airplane because this airplane is going to crash. Then don't panic, then you will wear now your parachute, because not all airplane crash easily immediately. Then the airplane put your life into ashes, because like what happened in the Indian, the airplane crash, then matagal pa siya bago siya nabungkag ba, nabuto, nasunog, turn into ashes. Then if the all passenger there has each one of the passenger there has having a parachute, then I believe and I know there are lots of passengers there who are survived. For me, if you ride a airplane, you are a passenger like me. If for example I don't experience arriving in the airplane, I don't experience arriving. I'm so sorry. I don't experience at my life that riding an airplane. For me, I'm 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 very happy if I'm given that kind of opportunity to ride that airplane. But for me, I'm afraid to ride an airplane, because you should know what's going on in the airplane anytime. The airplane, there are tendency it